guys, back here with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an intro. You're going to need 3 apps: Legend, Audio Maker, Video Show. This is actually how to make an intro for beginners. There's all different kinds of ways you can make intros with different apps and everything. So this is where you can get your font and everything. So its name is Legend. So you're going to press on that. Press back. You're going to press whatever you want, so like my name. Press the check mark and the play button. Pick the font, pick the color, save as video. It'll save. Then you're gonna press home. Audio Mac. Search up a song, like here's one that you could use that I'm gonna be using. Subs Jetta. Get that, I already have it, so then that, and then you go Video Show. Here, I'm gonna just get a Video Show real quick. And get back here again. So guys, I had to refresh Video Show real quick. Then we would go to Legend. Sorry guys. I had to sneeze. Sorry guys. First, I have a really bad cold. Press the one that you had. Music. Tap that music. My music. Use other apps to pick music. See, I have a lot of other ones. Batman on drugs. Sorry guys. Sorry guys, I'm gonna do that again. As you saw, I put the bar all the way to the left. I would do that if I was YouTube. Then you would make a video, and then it'll show up in camera. So you're gonna you'll press on the video, and then you press on the video. First, you'll press on the intro, the video, and then whatever kind of outro you want to make, you can make it. So yeah, and then you upload it to YouTube. So yeah, that's how you make an intro, guys. Thank you for watching, and peace.
What you heard, nigga?